We are opening up Period Nirvana play button.
I know. Okay. All right. Oh, some cardstock. Very nice. Very nice. All right. I'm probably never going to get a second one of these, so we're going to revel in it.
What?
It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. I didn't know the scale. All right. There it is. Genuine, not silver.
Hold it to Jake. Oh my goodness.
There it is.
Period presented to Period Nirvana for passing I'm in the mirror. 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. So professional.
So profesh. Thank you
Yep.
very much. Thank you very much. Thanks to my subscribers.